Hey guys, welcome back to Knife Review. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing the Letherman Squirt Es4. So as you guys can see, the packaging is very nice. We can see a couple of Letherman logos and whatnot here on the sides, but really nothing too interesting on the outside of the box. So let's open up this box and see what's inside. So first, looks like we are going to be greeted with the actual knife itself, and then we're going to be greeted with our user guide for this knife. And the user guide is going to let us know where all the tools and features can be found on this knife, and it's also going to tell you which each individual tool is going to be used for. But that's not too interesting, so let's just put this to the side and actually take a look at the multi-tool itself. And getting my hands on this knife, the build quality and construction seem to be very good. The paint has a really nice and satisfying texture to it, which makes the knife feel really good in the hand. It has a little bit of grip, but definitely isn't too abrasive. Opening up the knife, we can see our spring action needle nose pliers, which feel really good and very strong. And taking a look at the pliers here, we can see some really nice wire strippers, which are going to be great for electricians. And then underneath that, we can actually see our wire cutters. And the wire strippers and wire cutters are going to be what's different about the Squirt Es4 against the PS4. The PS4 isn't going to have that. So now let's take a look at all the other different tools on this multi-tool. And the first thing we're going to take a look at is the knife here. This knife actually is relatively sharp. My full review is going to be coming out on this multi-tool. And in that review, of course, I'm going to do a full review and talk about the sharpness and everything like that. And then next up on the same side, we can see our wood or metal file. And it's going to be great for being able to file down anything that is too sharp. It's actually very abrasive and should definitely get the job done. Now moving over to the other side, we can actually see that this multi-tool does actually feature spring action scissors, which feel very nice and they are very sharp. They're definitely going to be able to cut through almost anything. I'm always looking for a pair of scissors, and it's really nice to have it on this multi-tool. The scissors feel really high quality, there's not a lot of play in them, and overall they are definitely very nice. Now let's take a look at the small Phillips screwdriver over here, and this is extremely handy to have. There's tons of times when you need a screwdriver, and it's really nice to have it here on this Letherman. Now on the other side, we actually have a bottle opener and a medium screwdriver. The bottle opener is pretty straightforward and of course should do what it's supposed to do, and then also does have a medium screwdriver here on the tip of it. So that's my unboxing and a quick overview of all the tools that are featured on this knife. I own the old version of the Squirt and have owned it for about 15 years, and it's an absolutely fantastic one, and this new one actually seems like it's better built than the old one. But that's all I got for you guys in this unboxing. If you liked the video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up down below, and of course make sure to hit that subscribe button, and then to be notified every single time I upload a brand new video just like this one to my YouTube channel. If you guys have any requests for a specific knife that you guys want to see featured on this channel, make sure to leave a comment in the comment section down below, and I'll definitely do my best to try to make a video on it. But that's all I got for you guys in this video. Like I said, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one.